Ready for story time, Harper?
No. Look at your puppy.
Come on, Marley.
Look at Pops.
Is that your puppy? Hey, Marley.
Be gentle with Popsies. Be gentle. Be very gentle with the pups. Yeah. All good dogs just like to sit and get petted. Yeah, you see? Soft fur. Gentle.
Is that your puppy? Say hi, Marley. Hi, Marley.
What are these little grunts? What are your little grunts? Actually, they're big grunts, aren't they? Wanna see it? Whoa! Okay, Floss, get off me.
Bye-bye, Harper. Bye-bye.
Mama's recording, recording, recording.